Hi everybody, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Depends on when you're watching this. It could be July for all I know. But here is my festive sweater for Christmas time 2020, and I am filling orders for gift certificates right now, so I thought it would be helpful if those of you who are receiving the gift certificates knew how to apply them. So, regardless of if you got this for Christmas or Kwanzaa or a Valentine's Day present or your birthday, whatever it is, this is the video on how to claim your gift certificate. Yeah, that's the words I'm looking for. So here it goes. I'm going to turn this off and we're going to go on the computer and I'm going to walk you through it. All right, congratulations, you have your gift certificate. First thing you should do is pull out your gift certificate, which I'm hoping you're looking at right now. Open up a window and type in AGSSS.com. Many people forget the third S, so I'm going to remind you there is a third S. Once you hit enter, it should bring you to this page. And the title bar will now say agreatstartshootingschool.com. Aren't you glad that I shortened it? Because I didn't think anyone actually want to write agreatstartshootingschool.com. So to book your gift certificate, you're going to click on the Book a Service Now button, which is right here at the top of the main page. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to my Acuity scheduling place. Now this is where you're going to read and find whatever your gift certificate is. You'd have instructor pre-course, stay safe in your own home, non-shooting course, intro to gun handling, introduction to action shooting sports, find the right gun for you, private individualized training, IDP classifier, or pistol permit, private pistol permit, class part 1. So there's also private classroom and online training. I actually need to fix this because there shouldn't be 2 of those. But basically, whatever class you have, you're going to highlight this. Now, I know some of you have really generous friends who buy you a 5 or 10 lesson package. So if you happen to be one of those people, lucky people who has a 5 or a 10 lesson package, you are just going to be booking your private individualized training. So we're going to go with that because the rest of you, it will say on your gift certificate what it is. So the only one that's slightly confusing is if you happen to have the 5 or 10 lesson package. So you click on the class that you're going to take. It brings you to the calendar. The days that are in bold are the ones that I have available. Now you always want to go here because unfortunately my schedule changes all the time. And with the winter and the summer, hours are always different because we have to go by the sunset as well as the kids' schedules. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the 14th works. When you click on the number, it then shows you what times are available for you to book that class. Now I do want to show you something real quick. This is a 1-hour class that you are looking to book, so it shows you when you can book it. Now, if you maybe instead happen to get, to something along the lines of the intro or something that's longer, the private pistol permit class, for example. If you click on that, because that's 4 hours, when you click on this, notice it only gives you 9 a.m. to 11:30. It's because it knows we end early during the winter time. So that's how that all works. Once you pick a time, you're going to click on continue. You're going to fill in your name. We're just going to make something up. This is one of those things where I'll see if I can figure out how to fast forward stuff. So here's the important part. Once you get past all the stuff that has little red letters, probably the most important thing, at the bottom when it says, what is your goal for this lesson? So I need my certificate for applying to the state, for example. But anything you want to put in there to let me know to help Applink. I don't know what that is. Anything you need me to know to make your experience better so that I know what to prepare for is even better. All right, so you entered all your information. Now you're going to click on Redeem Coupon or Gift Certificate. When you click on that, it's going to ask for your code. I don't know why it asked for email, but you're going to put a code in there and then click on Apply. All right, I got my props. Ready? Your gift card may look as simple as this if someone just simply bought you one and then printed it out. The code that you're going to want to enter is right there where I have it blacked out. It's going to be letters and numbers. However, if they were so creative and they went ahead and got one from me directly, it could look like this, or it could look like this. Either way, somewhere on there it's going to say certificate code, and it's going to have some letters and some numbers. So when you're at that point where you're entering your coupon, that's where you're going to get it from. Once that's done, it should bring you to your secure payment if there's anything left. You might have gotten a partial or a full. And when you're all done, it will ask you to pay and confirm. And obviously I don't have any way to do this, so that's pretty much everything you didn't know. As long as it was successful, I will be receiving an email and you will be receiving an email confirming your time for your appointment. So I hope that's enough information to get you through using your gift certificate. And thank that lovely person who bought you a gift certificate, because that was really sweet. All right. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.